Good day, traders. This is Rick with your Futures Trading Coach Aftermarket Update for the Live Trading Alert Room. Today is Wednesday, May 27th, and I'm going to let you guys know what we did in the room today. Today we had 1, 2, 3, 4 opportunities in the ES and 1 in the TF. They were all winners, and I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. The first opportunity we had was long on a ZL, which I talked about in the room at this blue dot. The only thing is it was right at the open, so we passed on that trade. Of course, in hindsight, it looks great, but we were able to get in on a power play at 21.09 quarter, and we had 11 quarter and then 15 as our targets. 11 quarter and 15 as our targets. Those were the only two lines I had up there the whole day. I said if it got above the 11 quarter, it was going to go to 15. That's pretty much where it spent, its time banging up against here the whole time. And that was a nice 6-point trade for those who held up to the 15. And then we had an S play, an S play at 9:09 Central Standard Time, 21:11, and as you'll see, that one went up. We were expecting 2 points initially, and then I said it might retest the 21:15, which it did. However, some people were in, some people were still, were out of the trade, especially if you went to entry here after we got 2 points. And so another opportunity to get in was an understanding trade, which was a long at 21:13 quarter. 21:13 quarter, we got long. Again, went up to the 15 quarter area, and basically after that, anybody who took this as a new entry was not didn't get filled at 2 points, and you had to go -1 point on your runner. Let it come down and retest here, see if it can come back up. We did have some people still in, some people were out. Those that stayed in the trade, once it got back up here, I said see if it keeps banging on these 15, see if it gets up to my circle here, and that's exactly where it went, and it closed out the morning. In fact, I said they wanted to get to the circle, and as we had people long from here and here, and what they might do is just, if they don't take it down, they're going to just maul around here, and they might take it up right before lunch, take care of business, and then go to lunch, which is exactly what they did. Those people who were not in, I did offer an understanding trade at 15.50, 21.15.50 at 10.42, just to see if they can get up, make a point or two. It did go to 17.75. That was a couple points there, and then again, everybody would have had been out here anyway around 16.50 because the room closed. So nice little trade there for those who took it. In the TF, we only had one opportunity. That was a power play, and that was a long, again, 8:51 Central Standard Time. The price was 1238.5, 1238.6, somewhere right in there, and that was good for about 30 ticks. We take profits at 15 and 30, and then if anybody had anything left, most likely they would have either went to entry and been taken out right here at entry, or they were just out of the trade at 30 ticks, and that was a nice winner there. And that's what we did today. So no losers today, and we're going to come back again tomorrow and do it all over again. So until then, guys, I want you to have a great rest of the day and happy trading.